Hi students, I'm Paul Verdicto. In today's class, we are going to see about Webserver Installation and web development concept. In general, there are two types of web scripting language. They are server-side scripting language and client-side scripting language. PHP is a server-side scripting language, as the PHP code entirely executes on web server, which is installed in the server machine. Webserver Installation. The steps to install and configure Apache HTTPD web server and PHP module in server machine. Use this link to download Apache web server. After downloading .msi file from Apache Foundation, install it. To test the web server, use the localhost. In this link, 130 is used because 130 is the default port number taken by the software. If the output page says it works, web server is successfully installed. Admin user can start, stop and restart the web server service at any time through Windows control pane. Web development concept. Web development concept explains two things: how a website is developed and how the created website is hosted. Let's see how a PHP script works. Imagine a programmer is creating a website for your school and moving the entire content and codes of the website to the server machine. And now you wish to search for the details of 12th standard in the school website created. So you're opening your browser and typing the school name and class. When you click the search button, what you have typed in the browser will be sent as a request to the server machine. In the server end, the web server receives your request, interprets the PHP code and understands that you need class 12 data from your school website. Now, web server generates a response for your class 12 data request and sends it back to you. In the client machine, the details of class 12 will be received. This is how PHP script works. Let's see the working in steps. Step 1. User types URL in web browser. Step 2. Request is sent to server machine. Step 3. Server receives request. Step 4. Web server in the server machine interprets the PHP codes. Step 5. Web server generates a response for the request. Step 6. Response is sent to the client. Step 7. In client's machine, output is received. Now let's see about PHP syntax. PHP coding can be represented in different types of syntax. They are default syntax, short open tags, HTML embed tags. Default syntax. When you wish to use default syntax, your coding should start with angle bracket $PHP and end with $angle bracket. Short open tags. To use short open tags, admin user has to enable short style tag settings in php.ini file on the server. The short open tag begins with angle bracket ? And closes with ? angle bracket. HTML embed tags. HTML script embed tags look just like HTML scripts, but the files are saved with the extension .php. That's all for today's class. For more classes on 12th standard computer application, subscribe and follow Hard Drive. Thank you.